Hey everybody, I'm back out in the country today for another episode of Will's Costa Rican Wanders. If you like dirt bikes, quadding, dune buggies, mud, cold beer, all that good stuff, stay tuned.
You'll never know where you'll be, you'll never know what you'll see on Will's Costa Rican Wanders.
Hey everybody, we're here today to check out some motocross racing and enduro biking. If you like motocross, enduro, dirt biking, quadding, dune buggies, all that kind of stuff, Guanacaste is the place to be. We're going to take a look at what's happening here just outside of GUAYABO in the province of Guanacaste here. So you can see this is a real family-centered event. People are here with their kids. They're just hanging out, having a cold drink and enjoying the races. And the scenery here, as I said, is beautiful. The sky is gorgeous today with a few clouds. The sunset should be amazing from here tonight. And you can hear the Costa Rican yodel in the background. Actually, the Guanacaste yodel. You'll hear this at events and wherever people are having a good time and having a few beers here in Guanacaste. It's the provincial cheer, we'll call it that. So motorcycles are very popular in Costa Rica. For a lot of people, it's their primary mode of transportation. And then, of course, for the people that live out in the country, dirt bikes become a big thing. And it's a big sport, and people come from all over to participate in these enduro events. This year they had over 700 bikes participate, so there were a lot of people, generated a lot of income for the town of GUAYABO. Every room in the place was booked, and the restaurants and the attractions like the hot springs were very busy as well all weekend. So these kind of events here bring in a lot of tourist dollars. Thanks again for joining me for another episode of Will's Costa Rican Wanders here just outside of GUAYABO, Costa Rica. We're at the Moto Enduro event here that happens every year. Come and check it out next year when you're in the area. Salud!
On Will's Costa Rican Wanders.